guys, Zoe here. It's the first day of my 3-day holidays for Solar, which is Korean New Year. I'm going to do a house tour quickly and then upload the video and then start heading out to see my family and my grandmother and things like that. So without further ado, let's start my minimalist apartment tour. So we will start off in the living room as usual. I kind of missed seeing all this empty space in my house, so I sort of folded and put away my bed in there, and then my pillow and blanket in there because I'm not going to be in the house anyways. So yeah, I just wanted to look at a clean empty house when I come back, so that's what's going on. I've been hiding my table here, but I'm going to make a breakfast really quick before I head out. These are like, work stuff, of course. I pre-folded some of the work stuff there, just so I don't have to deal with it when I come back from the holidays. But yeah, that's my living room. Nothing much is in here, obviously. And over here, it's just, when you look at my living room from like the entranceway, you don't really see too much of the suitcase. So it's just, the only obvious thing would just be the fridge there. So yeah, it doesn't seem too cluttered when you're looking at it from this angle. But I do think I need to do something about those clutters on top. I haven't done anything with it yet. And we'll do my fridge tour. But there's meat that I need to cook. These are food trash. There's ice. Over here, just some more water bottles. Now, I have taken my Brita to work because I ran out of water at work. I ordered a new Brita, so yeah. I'm going to have 2 Britas so that I don't have to like order in or buy water or anything like that. But yeah, these I bought temporarily so I can drink it until my Brita arrives in the mail, which will be after the holidays. Yeah, and then over here obviously is my closet. All the clothes that I wear regularly, it's in this white basket. If you've been watching my channel, you know that already. That's the sweater that I'm going to wear when I'm going outside today. And any summer clothes, any miscellaneous items that I don't need are in these suitcases. And obviously there's my trusted hair dryer. I use it to blow dirt into the corner on that side, and that's exactly what I did this morning to clean my apartment. So my floor is super clean. I'm super happy about that. And we'll go into my kitchen. Now here's my minimalist kitchen. These are like plastic and paper trash in a separate bag, and then those are just like regular trash over there. Yeah, obviously my shoes and like my one other pair of socks. I just realized I've been throwing away socks with like holes in there, and I realized I only have 2 pairs of socks now. So I wonder if I can kind of wash the ones that I already have like regularly and then not have to buy socks. So that might be an experiment that I try. Or maybe I'll just buy new socks, we'll see. And there's like cooking gear. I cleaned up the countertops a little bit, which I'm very, very happy about. And then this, I call this what, like room deodorant the other day. I actually need to throw this out because I think that's gone now. I'll just put this in here for now. And then we will move. Oh, that looks so much better. That looks so much cleaner. And I'll show you my cabinet. Nothing much has changed, obviously. These are masks that I got. So yeah, they're fresh masks. Obviously I've ate a lot of the rice. Some of them is at work, but yeah, even the ones at work are running out, so I need to take those to work actually. A bunch of toilet paper, which I use for everything, for cleaning purposes, for toilet related stuff. Down here, just a bunch of plastic bags and some shoes that I bagged up, like summer shoes, but they're like sandals and dress shoes so that I might wear, so I kept them in there. Bam, and then there's my laundry detergent. Another thing is I stopped using fabric softener, and I've only been using laundry detergent so far. Like none of my laundry smelled, so I don't really think I need it. Yeah, so that's one item that I was able to declutter. And then yeah, we'll move into the bathroom now. But before we move in, I want to show you, I just keep my like wet towel on a doorknob on the outside of the bathroom so it can dry and it doesn't get moldy and things like that. It's very silly tips, but someone might find it useful. And then we'll go into my bathroom. Hey guys. Yeah, it's pretty clean still. Only thing that changed is on top of the toilet, I actually didn't keep any item. I put my hair treatment and everything down here. I'm going to try this for a while, see if I don't mind bending down a little bit for the clean, clutter-free aesthetic. And one of my favorite things to show you guys nowadays when I do the bathroom tour. Oh, by the way, I want to show you that there's a shower head propped up like that. Someone asked me where's my shower. That's where it is. So you know, this is very typical like Korean studio apartment way to have the shower head. And you can like take it off the little rack. And you can use it to like clean different places and things like that. Obviously, I didn't think anybody would ask me about that, but yeah, that was interesting. So down here, you can see my little baby soap. This is so cute. Yeah, so I've been propping it up like right there. Once I run out of soap, actually, I'm going to try and see if I can live without a soap. I mean, I have a shampoo, so if I really need to like have foam or like clean some area, I could kind of use my shampoo, I feel like. So, and I'm not supposed to use that much soap anyway, because I have eczema. I don't know if you can tell, but I've been like breaking out a little bit. So yeah, it's like my doctors ever since I was little told me not to like use soap on your body. So I don't even use soap like everywhere. I only use it like for like, I don't know, armpits and like butt. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm going to try and live without a soap and see if I can manage. Obviously that won't be for everybody. Not everybody can do that or should do that, but I think that would work for me. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, there's my razor. And the winter days, I don't mind letting like my legs get hairy and things like that. I really don't mind it. But I really liked how it just props up there nicely, so I don't even have to like buy like a razor hanger or anything like that. And we'll move into my little cabinet. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys the entire thing of that tiny cabinet. I don't know why, I just want to show you. It's like that. And we will move in there. There's not much stuff in here, obviously. Just my Q-tips, and then I moved my sewing kit up there. I have one nose strip left here for blackhead. Excuse me. And then like there's, you know, floss, and then my ointment cream because my hand is messed up. My hand is super messed up. Yeah, did I mention I have eczema and just sensitive skin in general, so I need the cream and things like that. But yeah, there's my lotion, sunscreen. You know, I got the sunscreen for only like $3. I'm really happy about that. And then there's like fragrance lotion right there, and then toner, and then my foundation, which I'm slowly using up, and then yeah, my one toothpaste. I told you guys in my last video, with like hygiene products, instead of like stacking up on them, except for like toilet papers obviously, I just prefer to buy like one item at a time. This was only $1. And then I'm sure they'll even be cheaper if I bought something in bulk, but also like that kind of defeats the purpose of not having clutter. So I don't mind paying like, I don't know, a couple cents more for the peace of mind of having the little amount of items. So and this is like, I haven't really talked about it, but it's just like one toothbrush, but I love how clear that is. So it's been like kind of like my favorite toothbrush so far. I'll be really sad when I run out of that. I have to try and find one that kind of like is cute and just, I don't know, peaceful like that. Is it a weird expression to call your toothpaste peaceful? Hi guys, so that was my entire minimalist apartment tour. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next week. Bye! Also, if you're Korean, happy 설날! 새해 복 많이 받으세요. Bye!